Practice questions for measurement bounds and percentage error. Now we have the question that the radius of a circle is measured at 7 centimeter. So this is an estimation and rounded to the nearest centimeter. So we have the precision is 1 centimeter. And now we need to use this measurement to estimate the area of the circle. Okay, so area formula of the circle is pi multiplied by r squared. Note that it is a VA, approximation value. Using the GDC, we will get the value is 49 pi, and you have the option to round it into the nearest centimeter, which is 154. Now we need to find the boundary values for the area of the circle. Okay, so area is calculated using radius, and we can find first the boundary values of the radius, in which is 7 minus 1 over 2 and 7 plus 1 per 2 because the precision is 1. So now we have the boundary values for radius. Then we can work on the boundary values for the area. So area is calculated by pi r squared. So we use the r on the lower bound and r on the upper bound to calculate the area bound. So putting that into GDC, we will get these exact values, and we can round that to the nearest centimeter squared. Now we need to find maximum percentage error in the estimate. What does this mean? Well, because we have lower and upper bound, it means that the percentage error could be from the lower bound and the upper bound. So we find both and we choose the highest one, which is the max. To avoid premature rounding error, it's best to use the pi form for the bounds and also the estimated area. First, we try with the exact area of the lower bound, in which we can calculate the percentage error that the estimate is 49 pi, putting 42.25 pi as the VE, and multiply with 100%, with GDC we get 16%. So now using the upper bound as the exact value, so we calculate again, but we change into 56.25 pi, and we multiply that with 100%. Using GDC we get 12.9%. Now it's time to choose the maximum. 16 is definitely higher than 12.9, so we take that as the maximum percentage error in this estimate area. For more private tutoring, you can check on my profile.